Most seniors forget their passwords and get locked out, but I'll show you the one method that makes passwords stick in your head forever. No apps, no notebooks, just stress-free and straightforward. Hello and welcome back to Senior Safe Tech. Forgetting passwords is one of the most common frustrations for seniors. It leads to wasted time, stress, and sometimes even loss of access to important accounts like email, banking, or photos. But today I'll share proven tricks that make your passwords easy to remember while keeping them strong and safe from hackers. Here's why this matters. Every year, millions of accounts are stolen just because of weak passwords. Hackers don't guess them one by one. They use giant lists of common passwords. If your password is 1234 or your birthday, it could be cracked in seconds. That's why having a system that's personal to you but impossible for others is so powerful. When you're told to make passwords with uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, it feels impossible to remember, right? So many people fall back to birthdays, pet names, or 1234. Easy to recall, but also the first thing hackers try. The truth is, remembering passwords doesn't need to be difficult. You just need the right system. Instead of random letters, create a short phrase from something you'll never forget. Example, I drink coffee every morning at 7. Turn it into I'd sem at 7! It doesn't look very easy, but in your head, you're just remembering a phrase you already know. Take two random objects in your home, like a lamp and a clock. Add a number and a symbol, lamp clock $92. Your brain remembers stories better than nonsense, so imagine the lamp shining on the clock every night. Pick a sentence from your favorite song, quote, or prayer. Example, technology should empower, not confuse seniors. Take the first letters, SINX. That's personal, meaningful, and hard to guess. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you'd like more videos just like this. You can keep one strong password and add a simple marker for each account. Example, base password equals IDCEM at 7! For Gmail, add GM. IDCEM at 7! GM. For Facebook, add FB. IDCEM at 7! FB. Every account has a unique password, but you follow a straightforward memory system. One more tip, avoid using the same password everywhere. If one account gets hacked, the others can fall like dominoes. That's why adding small markers for each account, like GM for Gmail or FB for Facebook, keeps you safe without making things harder to remember. The first time you create a new password, write it once on paper. Then hide or shred it after you've memorized it. Log in a few times over the next couple of days. Repetition will lock the password in your brain. And that's it. Passwords don't have to be confusing or stressful. With passphrases, associations, acronyms, and simple markers, you'll always have strong passwords you can remember. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Senior Safe Tech, and share it with someone you care about. Stay confident, stay connected, and enjoy the digital world. It's yours too.